enjoy some lovely brisky. Oh, no. The Ula must have broken them.
Láithín, what leat Bruno? A hug from a teddy bear might help.
A barróg might be nice.
I'm sorry, Bláithín. I broke the brisky. Oh, I feel terrible.
Why don't you tell Snowy about it?
Bláithín spent all morning baking brisky, and I broke them by accident, and now she's sad.
Give Snowy a barróg, Kuan.
Oh, a barróg from a berrien is very warm and fuzzy.
The brisky still tastes great, you know. Even if they are broken.
Exactly. See, making you feel better is what teddies do best.